Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video tutorial, we have developed the UI for links, and now we will create Ajax request to load menu location within this drop down. Here is the links page, and here we have drop down name or ID as menu name. Let's copy it. Now inspect the element, go to console, and now I will use some jQuery. I will say where ID is menu name dot. Now I will append data in this. In the append, I will use some HTML as option and hit enter. Now you can see in the drop down the text is added, and if I will do and repeat the same, the list box is get, or the drop down list is filled. Let's copy the code, and when document is get ready, we will use Ajax request to fill this drop down. So here I will use, in the layout I will use the Ajax in document get ready. To utilize Ajax, we need to create a store procedure, and here we have the menu store procedure. Let's modify it and add the option to get all the list name and their IDs to populate them in drop down of link menu. So here is the store procedure, and here we will add a filter by which we can extract all the menu location information for drop down list. Now say menu location drop down. I need all the data from menu location, and now when I will execute this, here all the data is gathered. Now we need ID and location but not links, so I will specify in the query that I only need ID comma location, and now execute. So I will get only that record. Here I will come in the controller, stop the execution, and here I will use the list code like menu list JSON. I will copy this and paste here and make it links list links menu list JSON, and pass the filter here. Now it will return all the JSON record of menu location for links drop down. And now I will save this, and I will save this too. Okay, so now it gets saved in the I will copy this Ajax, or we can use the previous Ajax, like here we are using simply this Ajax. I will use here the script tag. I will create the document ready code for individual page. When it gets loaded, I will call this, and it will get back all the results. Now I will use this jQuery part and load the data in that. Simply use menu location name, and here in the instead of the name I will use value dot this location, and here the value, as this value dot id. And now remove this all code which is not necessary for us, and all this. Okay, so now what happened, when I will execute this, it will go to database and retrieve all the location menu information and load that into the drop down list. By this, whenever we will insert the data of links or the hyperlinks, so we get record that individual hyperlink is belong to which menu, and it will to be shown where. Now the page is rendered completely, and you can see that we have this record is available here. And if I will press F12 and go to the console and want to know which value is selected, I will only write the code, and here I will say val and hit enter, and it's saying me 4003. It is the ID of this menu. If I will choose footer, and now I will say what is the value, so it is 4004. I will use this value to store that into the database. As you can see, here we have menu links table, in which we have column menu location ID, which is 4003 or 4002, whatever the ID. Here is the individual link ID. Here we will pass the name, and here will be the URL, such as we will say home, and the URL will be like something this, and when I will click on process, it will get saved. But right now it is not developed. We have to develop that. In this video tutorial, we just here to perform this drop down population. In the next video tutorial, we will make it possible that we can add or insert data for links. I hope this video tutorial is informative. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel to get more amazing video tutorials. Take care. Bye bye.